I made a tiny cup noodle for my Barbie. Let's open it. What's inside that? Okay, I want to do this carefully because it's more small. There are some noodles and the masala is here. Okay, so first we have to cut that. Want to cut this carefully because it's more small. I don't know where it's open. Then finally I open this. And first I want to put all the masalas here and close it for 2 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes. Really? Oh, I forgot to pour water. Okay, wait. Push ahead and pour little water. That's it. Close it for 2 minutes. Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh! I think it's so tasty. And it's ready! It's so tasty! Yummy, yummy noodles is ready. That's it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.